return of a legend. That's what we're looking at today on Car Trend, because the iconic Karmann Ghia is back for 2025. Yes, you heard that right. Volkswagen has brought back one of the most beloved names in automotive history, and they've done it with style, with innovation, and with just the right amount of retro inspiration to make enthusiasts go absolutely wild. This is the all-new 2025 Karmann Ghia, and today, we're diving deep into everything it has to offer: design, performance, technology, and what it means for the modern car market. Let's start with the big question. Why bring back the Karmann Ghia now? Well, if you've been paying attention to the automotive world, you'll know nostalgia sells, but only when done right. We've seen names like the Ford Bronco, the Toyota Supra, and the Fiat 500 make comebacks in recent years, tapping into that sweet spot of heritage and modern appeal. Volkswagen clearly understands the value of its history, and while the Beetle and the Microbus got all the love, the Karmann Ghia always held a special place among design lovers. The original Ghia, launched in the 1950s, wasn't about power or speed. It was about elegance, curves, and personality, something that stood apart from the more utilitarian Beetle it was based on. The 2025 version. It carries that same DNA, but brings it into the 21st century in a very unexpected way. Let's talk design, because honestly, that's what will get heads turning first. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is drop-dead gorgeous. We're talking about a coupe that manages to be both strikingly modern and unmistakably retro. The silhouette is low and sleek, with a long hood and a gently sloping roofline that pays tribute to the original Ghia's Italian-inspired styling. But look closer, and you'll see all the modern touches: LED lighting front and back, flush door handles, and beautifully sculpted lines that give it a futuristic presence. Volkswagen has done something special with the front fascia. Instead of chasing aggressive, angular design like so many modern cars, the new Ghia goes soft and subtle. The headlights are rounded, a nod to the original, with a unique light signature that gives it personality. The